My dear students, good morning. In my previous lecture, I was telling you about the formation of image by concave mirror. And in a case of concave mirror, an object may be kept in 6 different positions. And in these 6 different positions, image is formed at 6 different places. I have told you in this regard. Today I am going to tell you about formation of image by convex mirror. See, this is convex mirror. See this figure. This is convex mirror. Its pole, focus, and center of curvature. Here, an object may be kept. An object may be kept in two different at two different places before a convex mirror. Convex mirror. What will be these two different positions? See, one, when object is kept at infinity, object is kept at infinity, and second thing, object is kept at between infinity and pole. These are two different positions, right? Before the reflecting surface of a concave mirror where an object can be kept, right? So these two different positions, these positions are first, when object is kept at infinity or infinite distance from pole of mirror, that is, object is kept, this is the infinite distance from the pole of the mirror. So put the object in this situation. This is infinity. Put the object in this situation. AB, this is object. What will happen? From point B as well as from point A, two rays will incident on the mirror surface parallel to principal axis, that parallel to the principal axis, right? So draw two rays from here. These two rays are parallel to principal axis as well as parallel to one another. If a ray of light incident on the mirror surface parallel to principal axis, what happens? It will it appears to arise from focus. It appears to arise from focus. Here, this is point E, and join them. Here, incidenting point here E, and here not but G, am I right? G. So this is, here you see these two reflected rays appear to arise from point F, that is focus. So image of the object will form at focus. So in this condition, image is formed at focus this image is virtual, erect and highly diminished. Highly diminished means very short, right? Second thing, when object is kept between infinity and pole, of mirror, what happens? See in this condition, that is, object is kept between infinity and pole. You can place object between infinity and pole here. Let this is object. This is object AB. Right? So you have been told that from point B, here point A is at the principal axis, and here point B, that is terminal point B of the object, here B. So from this point we take two rays, one parallel to principal axis and the ray which is parallel to principal axis incident on the surface of the mirror. It will arise, it will appears to arise from focus. So this is reflected ray, point O, and you may write D. Here another one, another ray incident on the mirror surface while going in the direction of where? Center of curvature. This incident, that is this ray, that is incident on the mirror surface while going in the direction of center of curvature. So what will happen? It comes back on its own path after reflection, own path, And here you see these two rays intersect at point B dash. In this way, A dash B dash is the image, right? So where is the image found? Between pole and focus. In this condition, image is formed between pole and focus. This image is virtual, erect, and shorter than object, right? So there are two different conditions for the formation of image in the case of convex mirror, right? Whereas in case of concave mirror, there are 6 different positions where an object can be kept and image is formed in that is at 6 different places, right? So this is about the formation of image by convex mirror. Now take some questions for homework. Draw the diagram of concave mirror and convex mirror separately and show the following on them. A pole, B center of curvature, C principal axis, E focus, F radius of curvature, that is, here you have to draw concave mirror and convex mirror, and you have to show that is the principal axis, pole, center of curvature, focus, radius of curvature, right? etc. Question number 2. Write relation between radius of curvature and focal length of spherical mirror. Question number 3. Draw the diagram showing image formation in different position by concave mirror and second, that is B, convex mirror. Thank you very much.